Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Salome Blessy. Today's topic is about job shop production system. See, the job shop is a type of a manufacturing process structure where small batches of any varieties of customer products are made in the job shop process flows. Most of the products produced, it requires a unique setup and sequence of processing steps. If you observe in this video means by using one machine, the producer producing different varieties of a product. It means a product line extension. There is a difference from one product to another product in the way of a form, size and the shape. See, for any job shop, the general purpose machines are suitable in this process. See, because they are capable of performing many different types of operations, and thus they are capable of producing a wide varieties of products within a small lot size. Machines which perform similar similar functions grouped together, and we can able to produce the products. The best example is an swaying machine. By using this machine, we can able to design the different varieties of any dresses, means the different models of any dresses. Okay, this is the best example for any job shop production system. And next, the when job shop production process is used and where. The industries where there is a high varieties of products within a low volume is to be produced, and next by use of a general purpose machine and facilities, and third one is a highly skilled operators who takes up each job as a challenge, and large inventories of materials, tools and then parts, and detailed planning is established for a sequencing of each product capacities for each work center and order period. See, if the manufacturing industry having these high varieties of within a low volume orders, or they are having the general purpose machines and they have the high skilled peoples, means they can use this job shop production system. If you see the advantages of a job shop production system, the first advantage is it's having the high flexibility in production engineering, and the second one is it's having the high expansion flexibility, means its machines are easily add or subtract by the requirement of any customer. And third one is it's a high production volume elasticity due to the small increments to productive capacities. And the fourth one is low obsolescence, means its machines are typically multi-purpose, means we can use one machine for any different purpose. And the last one is there is less machine failures. These are the 5 advantages of any job shop production system. Now we will see what are the disadvantages of any job shop production system. The first disadvantage is it's a very hard to schedule the missions and the task. And second one is low capacity utilization. The third one is a high material handling cost. Why? Because based on the customer requirement, we want to produce different varieties of new products, means product line extension. Further, it leads to the high materials cost. And fourth one is a high production cost also. And the fifth one and the last one is a high level of work in progress inventories. These are the disadvantages of any job shop production system. Next is characteristics of any job shop production system. The first characteristic is layout. See, the layout is designed to minimize the material handling cost and the inventory processing time. And the next one is routing. In a job, often it travels the jumbling routing and may return to the same machine for processing several times. This type of layout is also seen in the services and then hospitals. And the third characteristic is employees. The employees in a job shop are typically highly skilled, crafted employees who can operate several different classes of machinery. These workers are paid highly wages for their skill levels. And the fourth one is an information. See, the information is needed to quit a price, bid a job, route and another third the shop, and specify the exact work to be done. And the last characteristic is an scheduling. See, a job is characterized by its routes, its processing requirement, and its priority. In a job shop, the mix of new products is a key issue in deciding how and when to schedule the job. So these are the five characteristics of job shop production system. So in this video, I completed the overview of a job shop production system. I hope you got this topic. Thank you for watching this video.